A car starts from origin, moves and moves, and moves with an acceleration of 2 meters per second for 10 seconds, and maintains its velocity for another 5 seconds, and then decelerates after another 5 seconds. Find I, the final velocity of the car, then II, the total distance traveled. Now this is quite easy. Now the car starts from origin, that means starts from rest. Most times they wouldn't use the word origin, they will use the word rest. So when it starts from rest means that it starts from the origin like this. And it accelerates. To accelerate means it goes like this. And the acceleration is 2 meters per second squared. This is squared. You see that? Then from here, the question now says it maintains its velocity for another 5 seconds. So immediately it got here, it maintained this velocity. That means constant velocity. The first movement was 10 seconds. The second movement was for another 5 seconds. If I add 5 to 10 seconds, that will make it 15 seconds. Another 5 seconds. Then it then decelerates. Immediately it got here, it started decelerating for another 5 seconds. Adding 5 seconds here will make it 20 seconds. So this is the diagram. This is the exact diagram. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. So it starts from rest, accelerates, maintains the velocity, then decelerates. Starts from rest, accelerates for 10 seconds, maintain the velocity for 5 seconds, then decelerates for 5 seconds. I believe this makes a lot of sense. Okay, so now if you notice, there is a problem with this question. In this question, we are given acceleration, we are not given the final velocity. As a matter of fact, we are asked to find the final velocity. Now, in order for us to find the final velocity, I think that's quite easy, because acceleration is supposed to be final velocity minus the initial velocity all over time. Now, the acceleration from the question is 2 meters per second squared. It was given. The final velocity is what we are looking for. The initial velocity is where it started, which is 0, because it started from rest. So the initial velocity is 0. Then the time it takes to go from here to here is 10 seconds. So I'm going to write 10 here. So if I cross multiply, this is going to be 2 times 10 is equal to V, because V minus 0 is V. So 2 times 10 is 20. So that means your velocity V is simply 20 meters per second. Very simple. Very, 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 very simple. Okay? So